Hello, welcome to the Rock Mass Academy. You're going to solve another Wassce past question. So here is the question. The operation is defined on the set of real numbers R by P operation Q equal to P plus Q plus 1 over 7 PQ, all real numbers such that P and Q belong to real number. To find the inverse elements. Now to find the inverse elements, we have to first find the identity elements. So let's E denotes the identity element. This implies that we are going to use this relation for the calculation. P operation, the E, that is the identity element, should be equal to E operation P, because they are commutative, then this should give us what? P. Let's name this equation 1. Then also P operation E is equal to, now substitute this into the relation given you. So P plus, then the Q becomes what? E plus 1 on 7. P comes again into P. Then the Q becomes E. And this gives you what? Equation 2. Now, comparing equation 1 and equation 2. Now it's equation 2 equal to what? Equation 1. Or vice versa, is 1 equals to 15. When you compare, you find out that. Now let's compare equation 2 to equation 1. That means the relation here should be equal to what? P. Because P opposite P is the same as E opposite P, that gives P. So in this case, our relation P plus E plus 1 over 7 PE should be equal to what? P. So I write P plus E plus 1 out of 7 PE equals to P. So we have to find the identity element. That is, we are going to make the E the subject. So let's do likens by sending P to the other side. We have E plus 1 out of 7 PE equal to P minus E. Then P minus P gives what? 0. And I'll factorize E out. So E outside the brackets 1. So that when I multiply 1 by the E, I have an E back. So plus 1 over 7 P. So when you multiply E by 1 over 7 P, have this. So this will give you what? 0. Now, to find the E, we have to divide both sides by whatever E bracket. So divide by 1 plus 1 over 7 divided by 1 plus 1 over 7 P. And this cancels this. So our E becomes 0 out of 1 plus 1 over 7 P. And any number divided by 0 is 0. So it means our E equals to 0. So you can put therefore the identity element E equals to 0. Now we put in the E, that is the identity element 0. But the question demands that we find the inverse of the elements. So we let P to the power -1, P the inverse element. This implies that P operation the inverse of P to give us the identity elements, and that is what? 0. So P operation P inverse is equal to, now we substitute this into the general relationship given us. So I have P plus P inverse plus 1/7 P times what P inverse, and that gives us what the identity element 0. So this is equation 1. This is what equation 2. So we are going to compare equation 1 to equation 2. So equation 2 is equal to what equation 1. So by comparison, we have P plus P inverse plus 1/7 P inverse to give you what? 0. Good. We are finding the inverse of P. So we are going to group like terms here by sending P to the other side, and that becomes what? Negative P. So we have P inverse plus 1/7 P times what P inverse equals to what? Negative P. Now we are going to what? Factorize P inverse outside of brackets. We have P inverse equals 1, because 1 times P inverse will give what? P inverse plus 1/7 P, because we have what? P inverse here. So when you multiply this by this, we have A value here. So that gives you negative P. What next? You have to divide through by whatever in the bracket here. So dividing by 1 plus 1/7 P, also divide by 1 plus 1/7 P. So this answer is here. So we are left with what? The P inverse. So I have P inverse equal to negative P all over 1 plus 1/7 P. So in conclusion, we have P inverse to give us negative P all over 1 plus 1/7 P, such that P should not be equal to -7. Because when P that here becomes -7, then the relation here becomes undefined, because it will be negative P all over 0, and that makes our relation undefined. So this is our final answer to the question: find the inverse elements in this relation. So thank God for watching this tutorial. Remember to subscribe to this channel for more math content. Like and share.